Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, check the router's signal where you plan to place the extender, and pick a midpoint outlet. Plug the extender in and wait for LEDs to show power. This tells you the device is booting. Once done, join the extender's default SSID from your phone or laptop and open the setup page. Use the default admin password printed on the device. Make sure to keep the router available while you complete the initial connection. Now you configure the extender. Use the setup wizard and pick your router's SSID to extend, then type its Wi-Fi password so the two devices can talk. Choose the appropriate band, use 4 GHz for wider coverage or 5 GHz for faster throughput, and enable band steering if the extender supports it. Once done, assign an SSID, match the router for seamless roaming, or append EXD to identify it. Finally, secure the link with WPA2 or WPA3 and a strong passphrase. Finish by relocating the extender to its optimal outlet. Look for a green or steady amber signal LED, which means good connectivity. You should test throughput in the target area with a speed test app. If performance is poor, raise the unit, avoid metal or thick walls, and try a different outlet. If issues persist, reboot router and extender, update extender firmware, or perform a factory reset. As a key troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.